In this video, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in a Kia Sedona key fob. If you have a Sedona that was made between 2006 and 2014, you are most likely using this device, and inside it we will find one CR2032 battery that we will be changing today. It's really easy, just follow along. The first thing we're going to do is come up to the top of the device where you can see there's a little indentation. Going to take a flathead screwdriver or a coin, insert it into that area and twist. So you hear a little pop and you can see we have started to open this thing up. Just pull it apart with your fingers, or you can kind of work your way in, twisting until it comes apart nice and easy like that. Now you can set this to the side. Sometimes this thing kind of falls off, so I'll show you how to put that back on at the end. And here we have our battery. We're just going to push it up, actually with our tool, going to push the battery carefully up. Which way does it come out? Okay, we're going to push it. If you're holding the device this way, the battery comes out like that. So you can actually come in from the side here and push it up. Try to get it over this little wall of plastic here, of rubber. And then just pull out the battery with your fingers. There it is, it's a 2032 battery. And when you have a new one and you're gonna put it back in, make sure this positive side goes face up, and you'll just slide it in place and make sure it goes all the way until it's nice and secure in there. And all we're gonna do now is turn this over, take this little metal part here, and you can see there are some teeth along this edge that line up with the little grooves in this piece of metal, and you'll find that it kind of just finds where it wants to go and it sits in there nicely like that. Now you can hold this, click the back into place, make sure everything looks nice and it's all lined up, and that is all it takes. Your device is now working again. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, let us know in the comments section, or you can let us know by liking the video. And if you ever need help changing another battery for any of your other key fobs for any maker model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.